Well, good morning, Jagannath Rana here. The topic of the day is cyber insurance is for both individuals and businesses. Cyber insurance is for both individuals and businesses. In today's digitally interconnected world, our dependency on online transactions for personal and business purposes exposes us to increasing cyber threats. The digital boom was further accelerated by pandemic, which increased these cyber threats. According to a survey, over 66% of Indian businesses have suffered at least one data breach since March 2020. So cyber threats are evolving at a great pace. Leaving traditional insurance and risk management strategies, struggling to keep pace. This creates a definitive protection gap, particularly for small and medium-sized businesses who are often uninsured or underinsured. So according to Munich Re Cyber Risk and Insurance Survey 2024, the ransomware payments hits a record-breaking US dollar 1.1 billion in 2023. And attacks are employing increasingly sophisticated methods to break into system, exploiting technological advancements such as generative artificial intelligence. The challenging cybersecurity environment is further exacerbated by intensifying geopolitical tensions as the digital domain has become a strategic environment for states or state-sponsored actors. Some businesses have underestimated the importance of investing in robust cybersecurity, believing they can manage without it. This misconception has been fueled by budget constraints and lack of understanding of the true value of protection, leaves companies to potential cyber attacks. Furthermore, businesses have also struggled to navigate the intricacies of policies and grapple with the perceived cost, so further delaying crucial security measures. The insurance industry plays an essential role in helping business responsibilities take risk in support of society's growth, innovation, and overall well-being. Risks that are generally predictable and manageable, as opposed to those that would potentially shock the global economy of significant portions thereof. So, tailored cyber insurances are available both for individuals and businesses. These are provided through distinct policies to safeguard against the financial consequences of cyber incidents. For business needs, cyber insurance coverage includes third-party liability. For private and data breaches, media liability claims, regulatory fines and penalties, and first-party losses like business interruption and cyber extortion. So to prevent financial losses, businesses can opt for insurance coverage to cover a range of risks. Such financial losses, business interruption costs, recovery expenses, and other expenses like regulatory investigations coverage, crisis management expenses, and third-party legal liability coverage. So therefore, it is time regulators, businesses, and the insurance industry join hands to build a strong cyber protection framework for India. Some progress is already happening to take the right steps toward stronger cyber security. The Indian government has recently implemented a framework for the establishment of the Indian Cyber Crime Coordination Center, which is tasked with handling cybercrime issues in a comprehensive and coordinated manner. So initiatives like this, along with the sufficient awareness programs across cities and investments in research and development, will be a key differentiator in keeping ahead of the cybersecurity regime. Because the cybersecurity breaches have become a daily reality in India, with both government institutions and private sector facing increasing threats. So the recent surge in cyber attacks of the ransomware attacks on the All India Institute of Medical Sciences in 2023 was a notable one. has brought cybersecurity to the forefront of national priorities. As the digital landscape continues to expand, so do the risks associated with it. So, making cyber insurance the need of the hour. In response, the Indian government has ramped up its budget for cyber security, nearly doubling its allocation from rupees 400 crore in 2023-24 to rupees 759 crore in 2024-25. This massive jump underscores the growing recognition of the need for more robust cybersecurity measures. So, a significant portion of these projects is being managed by the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. So, the situation is dire. India's nodal agency for cybersecurity, the Indian Computer Emergency Response Team, handled a staggering 1.39 million cybersecurity incidents in 2022 alone. So, among these, the largest chunk, 8,75,892 incidents, was related to the mitigation of vulnerable services, emphasizing the scale and variety of cyber threats the country faces. So, with cyber risk on the rise, India's cyber insurance market is growing rapidly. Once a niche segment, cyber insurance is now a key tool for both businesses and individuals to manage the growing risk of cyber attacks, phishing, and data breaches. A study published in October last year by Deloitte revealed that India's cyber insurance market, worth an estimated $50-60 billion in 2023, is expected to grow by 27 to 30% annually over the next 5 years. Insurance companies are responding to this surge in demand with innovative products that cater to both individuals and corporate needs. HDFC Ergo's Cyber Sachet insurance plan, Bajaj Allianz cyber insurance policy, and Tata AIG's Cyber Shield and Cyber Risk Protector are just a few examples of the comprehensive coverage now available. These plans offer protection against a wide array of risks, including impersonation, cyber extortion, identity theft, and even cyberbullying. Interestingly, some of these products are available for as low as rupees 3 per day, making them accessible to a broader audience. Industry experts attribute this increased demand to the rise in AI-driven frauds, where perpetrators use fake videos, voice clones, and even text messages to impersonate executives or family members. So the regulatory landscape is also evolving to keep up with growing threats. The Securities and Exchange Board of India for insurance, for instance, recently mandated that all SEBI registered entities establish a security operations centers to continuously monitor security events and detect anomalies. So major exchanges like National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange are setting up market to assist smaller regulated entities that lack the financial muscles or expertise to develop their own SOCs. SOCs means Security Operation Centers. So these measures, which fall under SEBI's latest cyber security framework released in August 2024, are designed to ensure uniformity in cyber security across the financial sector. The Digital Lenders Association of India is also making strides by developing a fraud repository for fintech firms, which will help streamline the detection and prevention of financial frauds across the sector. Moreover, the implementation of the Digital Personal Data Protection Act, Digital Personal Data Protection Act, that is called DPDP Act, has forfeited the legal framework around data protection. This has created a stronger case for cyber insurance, as businesses are now legally obligated to safeguard personal data. Violations of the DRDP Act can lead to hefty fines, making cyber insurance policies even more critical for companies looking to mitigate their risk exposure. So with cyber threats becoming more sophisticated, The future of India's cyber insurance market looks promising. The exponential growth in digital transactions coupled with increasing digitization of government services has only heightened the need for robust cyber security measures. The Deloitte report paints a clear picture. As business continues to digitize and AI-driven threats rise, the demand for cyber insurance will only escalate. So the rise of sachet-sized insurance products, smaller, more affordable policies, has made it easier for individuals and small businesses to protect themselves against the rising tide of cyber risk. Rising tide of cyber risks. Cyber insurance is tailored for both individuals and businesses, provided through distinct policies to safeguard against the financial consequences of cyber incidents. So, individuals' policies cover threats like identity theft, cyber stalking, phishing, and extortions, among many others. For your business needs, cyber insurance coverage include third-party liability for privacy and data breaches, media liability claims, regulatory fines and penalties, and first-party losses like business interruption and cyber extortions. So, legal expenses that may arise and data restoration cost may also be covered with some policies extending coverage to crisis communication and IT consultant fees. Hence, taking a comprehensive cyber insurance policy for businesses, ensuring financial protection against potential data breaches and related incidents is useful. You will be interested to know that in scenarios involving cyber extortion or ransomware, a cyber insurance policy is invaluable, covering expenses for negotiators, investigators, ransom payments, and system restorations. Also, comprehensive cyber insurance for business compensates for third-party damage, covers legal expenses, and compensates for compromised intellectual property, privacy breaches, and harm to reputation, making it indispensable for navigating the aftermath of cyber incidents. However, while purchasing a cyber insurance policy, it is crucial to understand the coverage limits and exclusions. So make sure you thoroughly review the policy terms and conditions to ensure adequate coverage for potential risk and alignments with business needs. Amid the growing cyber threat landscape, a robust cyber insurance policy ensures financial protection and swift recovery, crucial for modern business resilience. Because in today's digital age, whereas businesses rely heavily on technology and online operations, the threat of cyber attacks is ever present. From data breaches to ransomware attacks, the potential for financial losses and reputational damage due to cyber incidents is a real concern. This is where cyber insurance comes into play, offering a safety net for businesses in the event of a cyber catastrophe. So, cyber insurance, also known as the cyber liability insurance or cyber security insurance, is a specialized form of coverage designed to protect organizations from the financial fallout of a cyber incident. So these incidents may include data breaches, hacking, malware infections, denial of service attacks, and other forms of cyber attacks. Cyber insurance policies typically cover a range of expenses related to these incidents, such as legal fees, notification cost, public relations efforts, and even the cost of recovering lost data. The importance of cyber insurance is because it also provides the financial protection. One of the primary reasons to invest in cyber insurance is to protect your business financially. The costs associated with a cyber incident can be staggering. It's not just about the immediate cost of mitigating the breach, but also the potential for lawsuits, regulatory fines, and loss of businesses. So cyber insurance can help cover these expenses, ensuring that your business remains financially viable. Cyber incidents can lead to legal action, whether it is from affected customers, regulatory bodies, or other parties. Cyber insurance can cover the cost of hiring legal experts to navigate these complex and potentially costly legal challenges. Cyber attacks can disrupt your business operations. Ransomware attacks, for example, can lock your systems and data, making it impossible to carry out your day to day activities. The cyber insurance can provide coverage for the cost of restoring and recovering data. With the increasing focus on data protection and privacy, many industries are subject to stringent regulations. Cyber insurance can help ensure that your business remains compliant with these regulations, as it often covers the cost of fines and penalties resulting from non-compliance. So cyber insurance policies can be tailored to the specific needs of your business. This means you can choose the coverage options that are most relevant to your operations, ensuring that you are adequately protected without overpaying for unnecessary coverages. So, in an age where technology is the backbone of most businesses, cyber insurance is not an option but a necessity. The digital landscape is fraught with risks, with no organization, regardless of its size or industry, is immune to cyber threats. So, cyber insurance provides a safety net, offering financial protection and peace of mind. It allows businesses to navigate the complex and costly aftermath of a cyber incident while focusing on their core operations. Investing in cyber insurance is an essential step in ensuring the long-term sustainability and resilience of your business. It's not a matter of if a cyber incident will occur, but when. By having cyber insurance in place, you can better position your business to respond effectively to cyber threats, minimize the financial impact, and maintain the trust of your customers and stakeholders. In this digital age, cyber insurance is an investment in your business's future. This is an investment in your business's future. So it is tailored for both individuals and businesses, provided through distinct policies to safeguard against the financial consequences of cyber incidents. Individual policies cover threats like identity theft, cyber stacking, phishing, and extortions, among many others. For your businesses needs, cyber insurance coverage includes third-party liability for privacy and data breaches, media liability claims, regulatory fines and penalties, and first-party losses like business interruption and cyber extensions. So, according to your requirement, you can take the cyber insurance, because this is now not a luxury; it has become necessity. Thank you very much.